embark on a thought-provoking journey as I reveal an inspiring tale that emphasizes the importance of smart work over hard work in life. In this video, join me as I explore the story of a determined individual who discovers the transformative potential of strategic thinking, efficiency, and effective decision making through a compelling narrative. I highlight the timeless wisdom that success lies not only in laborious effort but also in employing intelligence, resourcefulness, and innovative approaches. Welcome, dear viewers, to a story that challenges conventional wisdom and sheds light on the power of smart work. Join me as we delve into the fascinating journey of an individual who learns that success isn't solely determined by hard work but also by the strategic use of intelligence and skill. Our story begins with a dedicated individual who believed that hard work alone was the key to achieve their goals. They poured their heart and soul into their endeavors, toiling day and night, driven by an unwavering work ethic. However, despite their tireless efforts, the desired outcome seemed elusive, frustrated, and on the brink of despair. Our protagonist encounters a wise mentor who imparts a valuable lesson about the importance of working smartly. The mentor shares an enlightening story of their own journey, where they realized that hard work, tough commendable, is not enough to unlock one's true potential. They learned that by embracing smart work, one can maximize efficiency, leverage resources, and achieve remarkable results. Inspired by this wisdom, our protagonist embarks on a transformative path of self-discovery. They begin to prioritize strategic thinking, problem solving, and the development of essential skills that complement their hard work. As our protagonist embraces smart work, they gain a newfound perspective and start identifying innovative solutions to challenges. They invest time in learning new technologies, networking, and cultivating relationships that open doors to new opportunities. Through their strategic approach, our protagonist not only saves time and energy but also achieves impressive milestones. Their efficiency catches the attention of influential individuals who recognize their capabilities and offer them greater responsibilities and opportunities for growth. The transformative power of smart work empowers our protagonists to accomplish more with less effort. They achieve a work-life balance, enjoy personal fulfillment, and become an inspiration to others seeking the path to success. As we conclude this inspiring tale, let us reflect on the profound truth that success in life is not solely determined by hard work, but by the intelligent and strategic application of our skills, resources, and efforts. Join us next time as we unravel more captivating stories and uncover the timeless wisdom hidden within the tapestry of life. Until then, may the power of smart work guide you on your journey to success.